Hey guys, so I'm going to start out with using the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond, which I purchased from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to start off with applying 2 layers, and I must say I'm pretty shocked at how well this glue is. And between each layer, you want to make sure that you blow dry it until it turns clear before you apply your wig. And then use 50% alcohol to get rid of any oils. So the TikTok girlies said to use some sprigs or some holding spray to get that thing melted, so that's what we're about to do. So keep in mind, I'm still a beginner, okay? So I'm still learning, but practice makes perfect, right? Here's another TikTok hack. Child, I learned everything from TikTok. But if you don't have a wax stick, you can use the black beeswax. It works just the same. If you enjoyed my video, I would greatly appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also guys, leave me some suggestions of what you'd like to see. But until next time, thanks for watching.